channel. I am Cute Little Voice. Today I'm coming in with another wig analysis for you guys. I love this braided unit. It is simply gorgeous. Before we get started, let me say happy Thursday to everyone. Hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing down below. It is absolutely free. I do hair reviews, hauls, and anything fashion here on my channel. So this braided unit is simply adorable. I really do like this one. This is from the red Carpet Premiere. This is an invisible braid style, and this is called RCB106 MISSY in a 30-inch, and I have it in a color T1B30. This is the wig on a model. Absolutely gorgeous. So the wig is a medium to small cap, so if you have a bigger head, you may want to steer away from this one, but however, it does have a little stretch, so you may be able to fit it, not sure, but you can press your luck. As far as the braids, they're very neat. It does go into a 30 at the bottom. It says that it's a T1B30, but I'm not getting any black at all. I'm getting mostly a 430 with this one. So if you like that color, make sure you pick it up. As far as the baby hairs, you do get natural sparse baby hairs, so they don't look too harsh and they don't look too overdone. You can just put a little bit of got2b gel on it, tie it down with a scarf of your choice, and lay those baby hairs down. This is a 13x7. Here is what it looks like. So you're getting parting in this whole area where the braids are. As far as this wig, it's not like, as far as shedding, you're not going to get shedding, of course, because it's braided up. Now the luster is a natural luster. It doesn't look dry, but of course I'm going to go in with my wig shine to add a little bit of shine to give it a little bit more of a luster. So I did that, and it looks a little bit more healthier. This wig is great. You don't have to sit in a chair for hours on end, having somebody tug at your hair, pulling your edges out, getting a headache. Because, when I get my hair done, usually when I get my own natural hair braided, my scalp is hurting for a good 2 days. And then when you take your hair down, you have all this shedding and breakage. This is a great investment. You can just put this on within like a minute and go do your baby hairs and go. This is the braids at the bottom. Sealed very nice. Now it's saying that this one will last you at least 2 years, but in my opinion, it will last a little bit longer, even probably 5+ years, because they're really neatly done, and the construction of the cap is very well, and they do last a very long time. So you are getting the elastic band on the back to tighten it to however you want. The combs do come at the middle of the wig, so it's like you really can't use the combs, or the hair will, the wig will be bunched up. This does lay pretty flat to my head. I did add a light color cap underneath this wig to bring out the braids a little bit more, and I also put some powder under that part. If you don't want to use the ball cap method, which I don't use, you can just put the cap on and apply a little bit more powder in the front here, so that that cap line won't show. And I got that trick from the Twin Goddesses. I watched one of her video, and she doesn't apply the cap as she doesn't apply the ball cap, so she does it like that, and it really does work. I'm going to give you a 360. The hair is pretty full. This is all the hair pushed to the front. It is, again, 30 inches, but to me, this is more like a 26-inch. It goes a little past my boob area. So here's the front, side, back, and here's the braids in the back. The hair is very full, but you know, it does come with that string in the back to keep the braids together. I usually don't cut that string because it helps to keep the wig looking natural and the braids into place so that your braids won't be showing in the back. And it does come loose on the side, so you don't have to cut that string if you don't want to. Now it's claiming that it has maximum comfort for the cap, which is really true. It is very, very comfortable. I'm gonna get close up on the braids. Really pretty, really gorgeous unit. I love this unit. It has invisible braids, which it does have. They're just really, really small. That's why they're called invisible. This is a 13x7 frontal lace wig. Natural baby hairs, ear-to-ear elastic band, and it is very easy to cut the lace, and this fabric in the cap is very breathable. It is a net cap, so you can't put your hands through it to scratch. I mean, you can still scratch your head, but you can't put your hands through any holes. And it has the care card instructions on here, how to care for your wig, how to cut, the do's and the don'ts of the wig as well. So what I'm going to do here, I have this whole container of really pretty like beads and stuff to put on your frontals, braided units. So I'm just going to grab a few, and you can get you some from the beauty supply store and kind of put them on and decorate your wig. I usually decorate my wigs because I like the way it looks. It just makes the braids look a little bit, you know, better. And make it look more festive, in my opinion. A lot of people don't like to use jewelry. You don't have to. And if you want to, you can put just a few on to kind of make it look cute and simple for you. But I usually do a lot because I'm extra. So, yeah, you can just put a few. I'm just going to put a few on to show you what you can, you know, achieve with this unit by putting beads on. And you also can buy the forehead chain to go in the middle of your head. And it looks like Arabian, kind of like really cute. So yeah, there you go. I think this is a very, very great unit. It's at an affordable price for this the way it looks. It's a bit pricier, but it's not too much in my opinion, especially for the quality you get on this unit. So that's pretty much it for this unit. Here's the braids up close again. Very, very pretty. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching throughout the years, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.